At the center of everything is GIA's dedication to excellence in research. Research that expands gemological expertise, that supplies the latest data to students and professionals, and ultimately protects the gem-buying public.
GIA is one of the few places in the world that has a full-time research program directed toward documenting the properties of gem materials. A lot of that is oriented toward gem identification.
GIA continually reinvests in research and state-of-the-art instrumentation. And by consistently supporting the highest level of excellence through all of its various endeavors, GIA attracts top scientists and researchers from around the globe.
GIA is uniquely positioned to carry out scientific studies of gems, really because of the wide range of gem materials that are brought to us. No one has this river of gemstones that's flowing by us.
GIA scientists continually advance gemological knowledge to keep pace with the latest gemological developments, like identifying new gem materials entering the marketplace, expanding our understanding of gem formation and origin, and detecting synthetic gem materials and gem treatments. For example, GIA pioneered the process now used worldwide for identifying HPHT or high-pressure, high-temperature treatments used to artificially enhance diamond color.
We assume every stone that comes into the laboratory is suspect. That's what drives our research efforts, not only in finding new things that haven't been disclosed to us, but also recognizing areas where we need to know more about a gemstone. And this is all done so that our reports can be the most accurate and, in the end, protect the public.
From its beginnings, GIA has pioneered major advancements in gemology through cutting-edge instrumentation. It was one of the pioneers that utilized the first binocular gemological microscope in the 1930s and advanced the use of the spectroscope to differentiate the characteristics of known gemstones. GIA published its findings in its comprehensive Handbook of Gem Identification, and this milestone is considered the foundation of modern gemology.
GIA's innovation and technologically advanced instrumentation allows us to provide information that is not only unbiased, but also accurate, ensuring that we are able to maintain the public's trust.
GIA houses the largest collection of gemological reference material in the world. Its library and expert staff answer questions from scientists, jewelers, gemologists, students, and the general public. This resource is accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world, with a desire for gemological knowledge. The Institute's world-class collection of gems, minerals, period and signature jewelry, and gem-related artifacts is an important research tool for scientists and historians. Its museum also offers students and the public a unique opportunity to learn more about gems and their place in the human experience.
I think the thing that really sets GIA apart is its mission is very broad. And at the heart of that mission is education and research. And when your desire is to educate, it puts you in a very different position than pure commercial reasons for doing the job.
As the established leader in research and discovery, the Institute is committed to keeping the world informed.
We are the only lab to have invested in a field gemology department. We have gemologists traveling to the field, collecting samples at the mine, bringing them back in the lab, and this research is available for the gemologists everywhere around the world.
Recognized around the world for delivering the most up-to-date and comprehensive findings in gemological research, GIA publishes the award-winning scientific journal, Gems and Gemology. And GIA Insider and Alum Connect provide online access to a wealth of feature articles, market trends, and research updates that help keep the worldwide network of jewelry industry professionals informed. Here, local gem news becomes global gem knowledge. The press and media depend on GIA as the authoritative source for gem information. GIA takes important scientific discoveries and translates them into practical knowledge for the world.
The consuming public should know that GIA is very committed to research, both into treatments, synthetics, new localities of gems, and through that they can be assured that GIA is standing behind them on the item that they're purchasing.